Yeah. So anyway, I don't think anyone knows about those investors yet. So it'll be quite interesting to see when that comes out.
It will be, yeah.
Yeah. Great. Oh, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Friday edition of the Coffee with Craig show. Weekend's already here. I mean, just amazing how fast this week flew by. Winston, good to see you.
Hey, Craig. How's it going?
Good. Thanks for joining us. 10 more days until the SEE Awards, Central Eastern European Real Estate Awards. Can you believe how quick it's coming up?
The weeks are flying by.
Yeah,
really.
A lot of sponsors, a lot of participants, a lot of nominations. I think everything's good to go so far, yeah?
Yep, we're almost ready to go.
I know Sylvia's going to sort out the rehearsal day here coming up soon, so we'll get to see all the new backgrounds and everything. It'll be pretty exciting. We also have a potential of Courtney Fingar from Investment Monitor to come in and visit us today and tell us a little bit about what's going on in the world of FDI.
That'd be some good
so maybe we'll see her a little bit later today, but stay tuned for the show there. Lots of exciting things going on over the weekend and over this whole week, but let's just jump into the news right now and see what's going on in the commercial real estate.
Yeah, thanks, Craig. Today we'll begin with Averson Young. They've announced 2 new strategic affiliations.
Oh, great. Okay.
in the Czech Republic and in Bulgaria with Schlachev Consulting.
Oh, okay, great.
Yeah, and both operations will operate under the Avison Young brand.
Mm-hmm.
And according to Mark Rose, he's the chair and CEO of Avison Young.
Oh, okay.
He says that they're focused on expanding where our clients need us and where top talents exist. They're very excited about the CE region, and investment opportunities are plentiful.
Right. Well, we know they've done really well in Poland, Romania, so it will not be surprising if they're doing well in those new locations as well.
Yeah, and to continue, he says that this strengthens the firm's presence in Central and Eastern Europe, and it grows its service platform across Europe, which also includes now operations in UK, Ireland, Germany, Poland, Romania, and Israel.
Wow, so growing fast. Yeah. Well, there must be a need for their services here.
100%. Mm-hmm. Then moving on, and Portland Trust have announced that its Coral Office Park in Prague has earned a WELL Health and Safety rating.
Oh, great. Another one now. Well, this WELL is really taking off, isn't it?
Yeah, this WELL is becoming very important and for office buildings, especially with the COVID-19 pandemic and, people wanting health and safety at the top of their agendas. And apparently, according to Portland, this is the first building in the Czech Republic to be awarded the WELL.
Right, because there's a couple in Hungary, one in Romania that we know of, and I think a few in Poland now, yeah?
Yeah, so it's definitely, they're pushing it out. And according to Robert Neale, Managing Director of Portland Trust, the Coral Office Park has got 100% fresh air provision and open all windows to provide purge ventilation, and it's got a wide range of innovative features to enhance safety, efficiency, and user satisfaction.
Satisfaction. Yeah, we wouldn't be able to say it. Well, good. All right. Sounds excellent.
Yeah, it's difficult to say, but
it's important to have. Yeah.
Important to have. So I think this is going to be the first of many announcements on the WELL front.
Right.
Moving to Slovakia, and we have Mountfield, Europe's largest specialised retailer of garden machinery and swimming pools and home and garden equipment. They've chosen the shopping palace in Bratislava for a 1,500 retail store.
Oh, okay.
1,500 square metre.
Big, okay.
Very big store. And Mountfield are based in the Czech Republic and Slovakia, and they've got an operation of 77 stores.
Oh, excellent.
And according to NVGM, who are the property managers of Shopping Palace Centre, Eric Molken, he's very happy with this acquisition, and he says it's a strong brand for Shopping Palace Centre. And just to conclude, prime retail supply in Slovakia now is over 2 million square metres.
Oh, well, it sounds like a place we'll have to visit next time we're in Slovakia.
Next time we're in Bratislava, yeah.
Bratislava, yeah.
Moving on, and Cushman Wakefield has analysed the trends in the industrial property sector in the 5 Central European countries. And they say at the end of 2020, there were 39 million square metres of modern logistics industrial space in the region. And more than half of this stock, around 53%, is in Poland and the Czech Republic. And they continue that the Czech Republic has the largest amount of industrial space, which is about 850 square meters per 1,000 inhabitants, whereas Poland has a figure of 552 square meters per 1,000 inhabitants.
Oh, so really a lot less. Okay.
Yeah, and now there's more than 3 million square meters under construction, and a third of that is speculative.
Mm-hmm.
So, according to Cushman, this attests to the good condition of the market, and investors consider it very exciting and less risky, and they're very happy about it. And the top 3 players in the market today, it's quite a consolidated market, and the major companies include CTP Invest with 12%, Panattoni with 11%, and Prologis with 11%. And that's 35% of the entire market.
And those 3 control 35% of the market. Yeah?
Those 3 control 35%. And as a result of all this news and developments in the logistics market, the report goes on to say that this sector is highly attractive to investors.
Mm-hmm.
And Michael Stotag, head of capital markets team, Cushman Wakefield, comments, investors have shown interest in the industrial sector for a long time. Their interest has been growing recently as a result of development of the urban last mile logistics segment, which has great potential for the future. Generally speaking, products with high quality tenants and long-term contracts are the most attractive for investments.
Excellent. Well, it's definitely good news on the logistics and industrial front.
Yep. And to conclude today, we've got a new hire on the human resources pages, and the Polish Council of Shopping Centres announced that Krzysztof Poznański has been appointed their new managing director.
Oh, okay. Well,
yep.
So, okay.
And he's going to be responsible for heading up their operations in Poland.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Yeah, right. Okay. Well, good. No, I mean, it's interesting what they're doing there, and of course, always PRCH is always doing something interesting and lobbying and training a lot for the retail.
Yeah, they seem to be first with the news on the latest updates on the pandemic and opening and closing of shopping centres.
Yeah, right. More closing, I guess, than opening. Yeah.
Well,
okay.
it's stop and start at the moment.
Maybe they'll start. Maybe he'll help open some of them again. Yeah. Good. So that's it for the news, or we've got something else exciting?
That's it for today.
That's it. All right. Well, a lot of interesting things going on. Most important is sign up for our SEE Real Estate Awards. That's coming up. I see there's a lot of people. I just checked the traffic on our networking app, and it looks like a lot. It's good to see that a lot of our attendees are using it. Already deals getting done probably before we even start the event, so that's great. You'll really meet the most active, the most top people operating in that region, and a lot of newcomers coming to the market. So that's April 7th and 8th. SEE, our CEE Investment Awards, October 20th, 21st. We'll also announce some sponsors for that already, because that's coming up. And of course, Retail Awards next year. So everyone, enjoy the rest of the day. Enjoy your weekend. Have a safe and healthy weekend, and we will see you on Monday.